afternoon, everyone. I'm Aisha from Langa. What inspired me to open a spa in Langa? I used to work in five-star hotels such as Crystal Towers and the Table Bay Hotel. So when I saw that there were spas and I didn't see any black people owning a spa at Township, so I decided, something sparked in my mind, and I decided to open a spa in Langa. I opened a spa in the year 2016, late 2016, 2017, yes. 2017, that's when I opened the spa. I was working at Table Bay Hotel for 2 years. And then when I left Table Bay, I decided to open a spa. And it was actually amazing. I've been getting support from locals, people from Johannesburg, from Pretoria. I even had clients from California. So it was quite amazing, and I would do it again. During the course of my training ladies, is that sometimes it can be difficult for them to actually follow instruction. If I tell a lady, listen, we're starting from the feet up, and then someone will tell me, no, I know how it is. Where I used to work, we used to start from the head down. So for me, it's quite difficult for me to, that's the only challenge I'm facing. Other than that, I think they're quite cooperative, and looking forward to train more ladies in the near future, especially those who are less privileged and unemployed. That is my main target. What word of inspiration do I have for people who want to start the massage? Follow your dreams. Take it one step at a time. Do not rush. Do what you want to do. It's your life at the end of the day. Take it one step at a time and see how things go. Yeah, that's the only welcome to Daydream African Spa, guys. I hope to see you guys soon, and hopefully you have a great time. Thank you so much.